I've been wanting to talk about something on here for quite some time now, but I've been very, very careful about when to bring it up and when to talk about it. It's kind of a controversial issue. And I do believe some people feel that because I work with energy that I should stay in my lane. That being said, some people might relate to what I'm saying. Some people might just get angry the second I bring it up because it is that annoying. But I wanted you all to be present when I did point blank ask the universe, flat out, where the hell are all my forks? I have bought 2 sets of utensils over the last 10 years. That means I should have 16 large spoons, 16 small spoons, 16 large forks, 16 small forks, and of course, 16 knives. Here's what we have to date. 16 knives. Apparently nobody uses those, and they're all accounted for. 9 spoons, small spoons. So I don't know what happened to the other 7, but apparently they went missing. We have 10 large spoons, which means I'm also missing 8 large spoons, which are bigger than the smaller spoons, so they're kind of harder to get rid of or lose, but somehow they managed to disappear. I have no idea. But when it comes to the fork category, 3 large forks. That's all I have, 3 large forks. I can't even have people over. I mean, if I do, I can only have 2 because I'm the 3rd person and I need a fork. And forget about dessert. That's not happening because I'm missing all 16 of those. Yes, there's a difference between the big forks and the small ones. The small ones are for dessert. But like I said, we're not having dessert unless we're having ice cream because then I could use a spoon because I still have some of those left. I don't understand it. Now I have 3 children and I've asked all 3 of them on separate occasions, hey, any idea what's going on with the forks? All 3. No idea. No clue. No idea, Dad. Maybe you should ask your daughter. Ask my daughter. Any idea what's going on with the forks? No. Maybe you should ask your son. Complete denial. Nobody wants to admit to any of it. So one of 2 things is happening. Either my forks are getting up and walking out of the house or somebody's throwing them out. I'm not saying they're doing it on purpose, but they're throwing them out. I mean, how is it that difficult to look at your plate and say, oh, that's silverware. We need to save that. Whatever. So I'm asking anybody that's out there because I know you're out there and I know you know exactly what I'm talking about and you probably are going through the same thing. And I'm sure I even pissed some people off because this is definitely pushing buttons for people. But if you have any insights at all or any ideas on how to prevent this from happening moving forward, by all means, let me know in the comments.